Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys Oppo phone Bluetooth problem guys. How can we fix? Friends, you want to fix guys your phone Bluetooth problem. So friends, how can we fix today friends? I will show you. I will tell you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon and like the video. Friends, now let's see how can we fix Oppo mobile guys phone Bluetooth problem. So guys, you will have to on guys your phone setting guys. After on phone setting is click on guys your phone system setting guys, tap on guys your phone system setting, then guys click on guys your last guys backup and reset option. Friends, you can see backup and reset guys, tap here. So friends, you can see guys this backup setting guys. Friends, you can see reset phone guys, tap here. Friends, you can see Bluetooth setting guys, we will tap here. And we will draw guys our phone pattern lock. After draw guys your phone pattern lock, friends, you can see this network reset setting guys, tap here to fix guys your Bluetooth problem. So friends, your Bluetooth problem will fix and guys you can use guys your Bluetooth setting without any problem. After that guys, you have any problem in your Oppo phone device, so guys you can ask me comment section guys, you can ask. I will check, I will help you guys. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video.